everyone, my name is Wicca BluMoon, and today we are going to be talking about the Book of Shadows, or a B.O.S. Um, what it is going to be your magical journal, and there's a lot of different ways in which you can do it. Now, there's no wrong or right way to do it, but hopefully I can give you some pointers. I'll even show you a couple pages out of my Book of Shadows, so then you can kind of get a general idea of what I've done. Now, you don't have to do it my way, but it'll maybe give you a little bit of insight, maybe give you a little, maybe it can be your muse and you can get several ideas from it. So now, when you first start, you're going to take lots of notes. Now, for that, you're going to need a pad of paper, pencil, pen, whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. It just has to be readable to you. So, whenever I started, I had a little phone book. Yes, a phone book. So I just did little doodles of the 5 elements: fire, water, earth, wind, spirit. Now I put down important notes for me. So as I said, symbols, spell. I've written many spells, and this right here in particular was for, or most of it was for a circle, casting a magical circle. You can buy a blank book, one a little bit nicer. Let me show you mine. This is my book. It's all made out of 100% natural recycled paper. It's made out of natural materials, as you can see. Now, I've even tried to look up the store in which I got this from, because I bought this a long time ago. I bought this in 2001, and I was in Arizona at the time. And I bought this from a naturalist store over there. So you might find a store like that around your area, or a Native American store, someplace where they sell lots of stones, natural things, walking rods. They sell a lot of things there. So necklaces, they sell all kinds of stuff. It's really neat place. So if you have one around your store or area, go check it out. Now, you don't have to buy one like this. There are plenty of blank books that are leather bound. If you want leather, that's fine. You can go to plentiful.earth.com. They have some nice leather blank books to where you can write in there whatever you want. But my suggestion to you is first take lots of notes and then kind of arrange them in an order that makes sense to you. Now, nowadays, you can even put your B.O.S on the computer. Just in any typing program, you can just type in your notes right there, save it under whatever you want to, and then you can print them out, and then you can rearrange them however you want to. If you want to just put them in a 3-ring binder, that's fantastic. You can do drawings, you can do poems, you can do anything you want to. But let me give you a couple ideas. Now, as you can see, I took a little bit of time with this. I have the Wiccan Read right on my front page, and this is the the extended version. So this isn't just the harm none. This is a big thing. Then I have the greater sabbats and then the lesser sabbats. Here I have and then continuation of that. Here I have the Theban alphabet, and then I have the alphabet for the runes. And then here I have the rune meanings. And it continues on over to this next page. Now this is a poem I really liked. I found it online, but I really thought it fit in my book. So let me read it to you. I who am the beauty of the green earth, and the white moon among the stars, and the mysteries of the waters, and the desire of the heart of man. I call your souls to arise to come to me, for I am the mother of nature, who gives life to the universe. From me all things proceed, and to me all things must return. And before my face, beloved of gods and men, let you your innermost divine self be enfolded in the rapture of the infinite. Let any worship be within the heart that rejoices, for behold, all acts of love and pleasure are my rituals. Let there be beauty and strength, power and compassion, honor and humility, mirth and reverence within you. And you who think to look for me, know that your search and your yearning shall never find me unless you know the mystery, that if you cannot find what you seek within yourself, then you will never find it outside yourself. For behold, I have been with you from the beginning, and I am that which is attained at the end of desire. So I first wrote this. I drew a little tree. It's not the prettiest thing, but that's the kind of style that I wanted. And then from there, I wrote what I had in my beginning notes was the invoking pentagram, banishing, bringing and pushing spirals, the equal arm cross. So I have lots of symbols, and then I have the elements over here, and I have the what animals represent which element. And on this one I have all the colors for color magic, what the colors are, what the meanings of each color is, and then I have how to make constructs, thought forms, the meaning of the god and goddess, and then I have a daily devotion page, and then I have what's in a basic ritual, and I did another drawing down here, which is something I designed for my book. And from there I'm going to stop, because I'm not going to show you the rest of my Book of Shadows, and it gets really into detail about about rituals, how to not only cast for elementals but also for angels, and things like that. And then it has the Sabbat rituals, how to do sigils, everything like that. So it has lots of knowledge in here. So hopefully that has helped you with some. But the most important thing to do about your Book of Shadows is put what speaks to you. There is no wrong, there is no right. But if you put something that speaks to your soul, speaks to your mind, then it should be the right thing to put in your book. So hopefully you have learned something, and hopefully this helps you along your journey. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.